Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat if it's not opening. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your launcher. It could be Steam or Epic Games. All right. So for both Epic Games and Steam, listen closely. Go ahead over to the library, find the game that requires Easy Anti-Cheat. Right-click on it, click on Properties. Now go ahead and go to Installed Files and Browse. Okay. Click on it and find Easy Anti-Cheat right here. Delete it or delete the entire Easy Anti-Cheat folder, just like so. And then once that's done, go ahead over to your local disk C. All right. Program Files x86, double click, find Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Okay. Again, this is for both Steam and Epic Games. So just delete it, continue, wait for it, close this one, close, and just restart your computer. Restart. And once you boot up, go ahead over to Services, right here, type it down, click on it, and find Easy Anti-Cheat as well. You'll find it right here for Epic Games. Double click, startup type, set it to automatic, and then hit on Apply. And then just click on Start. And once started, click on OK. Close this one. And go ahead and launch a game that requires Easy Anti-Cheat and should be good to go. That is how you fix Easy Anti-Cheat if it's not opening. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.